Good morning, friends. Today we are going to discuss problem on Wagner-Merwin rearrangement. We know that in Wagner-Merwin rearrangement we use the substrate neopentyl bromide or neopentyl alcohol. Here we are going to discuss problem based on Wagner-Merwin rearrangement or extension of it. Okay. First problem is this: it is alcohol but bicyclo compound. When it is heated with acid, this OH group is protonated, leading to oxonium ion, and it is a case of high instability because positive charge is present on the highly electronegative element oxygen. So this bond will break in this fashion, leading to positive charge here. Here there are two options of 1,2 shift. This hydrogen as hydride may take part in 1,2 shift, or this methyl as methyl carbon ion can take part in 1,2 shift. If this hydrogen come here as hydride, you know migratory aptitude of hydrogen is greater than that of methyl. So if this hydrogen come here, positive charge will be here. But it is bridgehead carbon, therefore according to Brett rule, positive charge or double bond cannot be developed on bridgehead carbon. Because if positive charge is here or double bond will be here, according to Brett rule, at bridgehead carbon positive charge cannot be developed, pi bond cannot be developed. If it is so, this carbon must be sp2 hybridized, and in the case of sp2 hybridized, this system around this carbon, the system should be planar, but it is bridge. How can it be planar? So this hydrogen cannot come here, and ultimately this methyl will shift from here to here. It is 1,2 shift of methyl carbon ion, leading to this positive charge here. Now this hydrogen will be eliminated as proton, leading to pi bond here. Second, it is amine. Again I am saying that in Wagner-Merwin rearrangement we use neopentyl alcohol or neopentyl bromide, but it is amine. When it is treated with first nitrous acid and HCl at 0 to 5 degree, diazotization will take place, leading to diazonium ion. It is diazo group. Further, it is positive charge on nitrogen, which is electronegative element. It is positive charge. Therefore, this bond will break in this fashion, leading to positive charge here. It is 1 degree carbocation, so 1,2 shift is taking place, leading to 2 degree carbocation. Now water as nucleophile will attack here, leading to this, and here positive charge is on oxygen, therefore proton is liberated, leading to this alcohol. Okay. Third, it is N-propyl bromide. When it is treated with aluminum bromide, it is Lewis acid, it is electron deficient compound, so it will abstract bromine as bromide ion, leading to AlBr4 minus, and we are getting this carbocation, which is 1 degree carbocation. So 1,2 shift will take place here, leading to 2 degree carbocation, isopropyl carbocation. Okay. Now further, this AlBr4 minus, which has been eliminated here, which had been produced here, that AlBr4 minus will attack here, leading to this product. Okay. Now it is cyclohexyl iodide. When it is treated with silver nitride, you are getting two products. It is the normal product, it is the substitution product, that iodide ion has been replaced by nitrite ion, and it is the product, it is the case of ring contraction. We have to outline, we have to comment on this product. Okay. We are reacting it with silver ion. Silver ion will abstract this iodine as iodide, and silver iodide is eliminated here, leading to this carbocation. It is 2 degree carbocation, it is 1 degree carbocation, yet it is formed. It is cyclopentane, it is cyclohexane, and stability of this cyclopentane is also good. So 1,2 shift, how 1,2 shift is taking place? This bond is now this bond. Okay. So it is positive charge will be here. It is although 1 degree carbocation. Now nitrite ion will attack on this positive charge leading to this. Although it will be minor, of course, but this product is formed. Although it will be minor. Okay. Because it is 2 degree, it is 1 degree. We have to comment on this product, second product. It is the simply substitution product, you can say, when amine reacts with nitrous acid, alcohol is formed. Okay. It is the simplest product. Amino group has been converted into alcoholic group. Okay. Now, this OH is protonated leading to this oxonium ion, and then this is a good living group. So, this water is eliminated leading to positive charge here. It is cyclopropyl carbocation, cyclopropyl methyl carbocation, CPM cation. C for cyclo, P for propyl, CP, cyclopropyl, methyl cation, CPM cation. It is 1 degree carbocation, yet it is very, very, very stable over all carbocation. We will discuss it in separate video on dancing resonance. This CPM cation is stable due to dancing resonance. We will discuss in separate video. Video will be created on dancing resonance. Okay. Then you can question me, sir, if it is CPM cation is highly stable, it is stabler and stabler and stabler than anyone carbocation, then how it has been converted into this? What is necessity for this conversion? What is necessity of this 1,2 shift? Friends, it is 3-membered ring, it is 4-membered ring. Anyhow, 4-membered ring is more stable due to relief in ring strength. So, for relieving of ring strength, this is converted into this. Here, this bond is now this bond. So, positive charge will be here, and at last this water will attack as nucleophile here, leading to this alcohol. At last, it is the halide and it is treated with caustic potash. It is ionized, leading to positive charge here, and it is benzyl carbocation, and benzyl carbocation is highly stable due to resonance. So 1,2 shift is not possible. If this methyl shifts here with this bond or as carbon ion, then positive charge will be here. It is also 3 degree carbocation, but 3 hyperconjugative, number of hyperconjugative structure will be 3, 3, 6 and 1 here, 7. Only 7 hyperconjugative structure will be here. If methyl takes part in 1,2 shift, if methyl comes from here to here, then only 7 hyperconjugative structure. We know that tertiary butyl carbocation is more stable than benzyl carbocation, but there in tertiary butyl carbocation there are 9 hyperconjugative structures. So, to a little extent, we can say tertiary butyl carbocation is more stable than benzyl carbocation, but here only 7 hyperconjugative structure will be here if this methyl will shift from here to here. So, it is not possible, and at last the water or this OH minus will attack here, leading to this. Means no rearrangement has been taken place. It is not Wagner-Merwin rearrangement. Okay, friends. Now I am finishing this lecture. Wow. Thank you, friends. See you again.